Hi, and welcome to Metal Supermarkets, the convenience stores for metal. I'm Jason Jackson, Operations and Development Manager. Do you know the difference between hot-rolled and cold-rolled steel? It's something we get asked a lot, so today we are going to look at some of the key differences. Let's start with hot-rolled steel. Hot rolling is a mill process which involves rolling the steel at high temperatures, over 1700 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it easier to shape and form the metal. The steel is then cooled, which causes it to shrink. This means there is less control over the size and shape of the finished product. This is part of the reason hot-rolled steel is typically cheaper than cold-rolled steel. Hot-rolled steel is used when precise shapes and tolerances are not required. The three ways to identify hot-rolled steel are a scaly surface finish, rounded edges on bar stock, and a non-oily surface. Typical applications of hot-rolled steel are railroad tracks, trailer parts, and other materials in the construction and welding trades. Cold-rolled steel is essentially hot-rolled steel that has been processed further. While hot-rolled steel is heated then cooled, cold-rolled steel is heated, cooled at room temperature, followed by annealing or tempers rolling. These additional processes allow for a wider range of finishes and closer dimensional tolerances. The term cold-rolled is mistakenly used on all products, but the name actually refers to the rolling of flat-rolled sheet and coil products. The term cold finishing or cold drawn is used when referring to bar products, which usually consist of cold drawing through a die to create the shape. The three ways to identify cold-rolled steel are an oily or greasy finish, a very smooth surface, and very sharp edges on bar stock. Cold-rolled steel is commonly used for machine parts, axles, automotive components, and much more. Hopefully this has helped you learn the difference between hot-rolled and cold-rolled steel.